Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing with you guys. Last month I got it like on the 4th, and this month I got it a little later, so I still wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys and share with you guys what I got in this month's box. So if you're interested to see what products I received, then just continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week when I'm not sick, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. And you might be seeing this on a day I don't usually upload, but I was sick last week, so I didn't have any videos. But yes, let's just go ahead and jump right in. This theme for this month is Make Waves, and everything, you always get this little pamphlet here. I did receive the first variation. It just says number 1 on here, and then my box did weigh 0.93 pounds, so not even a full pound. But the first product I received is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser, and this retails for $28, and I feel like this month was actually pretty good because I did see some sneak peeks on Instagram, and everybody was gonna get like different things, and it was like either you'll get this or this, so it wasn't like we didn't really know what we were gonna get. But I feel like this is really good brand to get from Boxycharm, and this already pays for the box. We paid $21 a month, and this retails for $28, so I'm pretty excited to use this. I did just finish my purity cleanser, so I need to open a new one, so I may try this out this month. I was just gonna use my Derma E one that I bought and I really liked because it's really gentle, but maybe I'll just go ahead and use that Glam Glow one instead. Next up in my box, I received this Ciate Eye Luster Cream Shadow. I got mine in the shade Cupid, and this retails for $22. And here's what that shade looks like. This is really pretty. Hopefully the camera's picking it up, but it has like a purple and gold shift to it. It's really pretty. Let me go ahead and swatch. Ooh, look at this. This is super pretty. Yes, I will definitely be using this. Again, this retails for $22. Next up, I received this Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Rosebud, and these retail for $18. And this is kind of like a pinky nude type color. And here's what that one looks like. I don't have this color. I don't tend to go for like these kinds of colors in a matte form just because I feel like they look kind of dry on my lips. I like wearing like reds and deep shades, vampy shades in like a matte version just because it stays put and doesn't move around. Like in these kinds like of neutral, everyday, nude type colors, I like a lipstick form. But this is really pretty, and I can't stop staring at the Ciate one. It's super pretty, so I got that as well. Next up, I received this Bodyography pencil in the shade Emerald, and this retails for $14. Usually when we get pencils through Boxycharm, I'm not really a big fan, but this color is super pretty, and here's what that looks like. This is really nice. It's not super creamy nor like stiff. I feel like it's more on the stiffer side, to be honest. But this is alright. This retails for $14. I actually wouldn't pay $14 for this. I'm more into like kohl pencils or like twist up. I haven't used like a sharpening eye pencil in so long, but I also got that. And then the last product I received was by Olimar Cosmetics, and I received the Colorete Blush Trio, and I got mine in the Fair Light one, so I got the lightest one. And here is what that looks like. I wanted the medium one, but this is what I got. Looks like you get like 2 satiny type blushes and then like a 1 matte. I kind of wish that these 2 colors weren't like really similar, but I've heard super good things about it. Let me go ahead and swatch it. So we'll swatch this one. We'll swatch all of them actually. There's only 3. So here is just swatching them on my hand. Let's see. Ooh, these look kind of light. But here are those. They look nice. They look like they'll be nice. They don't look the same, the ones that I thought, now that I've swatched them. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out on the cheeks. Those are all the products I received in this month's Boxycharm. What variation did you get? Did you get anything different than I did? Let me know down in the comment section below. I feel like this month was a really good box. I was really happy. I'm definitely keeping everything that I got. I do wish that the dose of colors I got in a different color, but we'll go ahead and use this as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!